Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to see all your current subscription for your iPhone or iPad on your iCloud account. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So there are so many apps on iPhone or iPads which you can subscribe to, but some cost money, hence you need to be on top of your subscription. So let me show you how to see what subscription you have enabled or disabled. On your iPhone, go into the App Store, then tap on your profile photo at the top right. Next, tap on your profile name at the top. Now scroll down and tap on Subscription. Here you'll see all the active and unactive subscription to your iCloud account. Anything you don't recognize or you want to stop, just tap on it and then stop this subscription. Again, anything you want to renew, just tap on it and then tap on Renew. And that is how to see all your current subscription on your iPhone or iPad iCloud account. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.